My name is Crispin Acholla. I'm the general manager of BAT Kenya, but also with responsibility for the wider East Africa. BAT Kenya has a long heritage and rich history in Kenya, spanning over 100 years. And this strong foundation speaks to our unwavering commitment to Kenya. However, while we celebrate our past, we are also radically redefining our business and transforming BAT Kenya into an enterprise of the future. This is on the back of our purpose to build a better tomorrow for our stakeholders, which is being driven by our people. We are therefore very deliberate in building a diverse and inclusive organization, which allows us to build on a legacy of leaders that will propel our business and the country to the next frontier. At BAT, we are committed to fostering an inclusive culture that respects and embraces the diversity of employees, clients, suppliers, and the community in general. This we do in various ways, including but not limited to: 1, creating a respectful and inclusive work environment where people can thrive. Secondly, building diverse, talented teams that drive business results and sustainability. We are committed to championing better work-life quality for our employees. We recognize that fairness, inclusion, and opportunities are embedded in our robust talent strategy and are a fundamental part of our organizational culture. As our organization evolves, we will continue to be more intentional about diversity and inclusion and shall remain truly committed to walking this journey while ensuring that we continuously empower our employees while delivering sustainable long-term value.